welcome back to my channel. So my hair is parted in 4, and I will be using Carol's Daughter Curl Shaping Cream Gel. It smells so good. It's like oatmeal mixed with a hint of coconut oil. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm smelling it right now. So in this video, I'm going to do some mini puffy twists. Now this is one of my favorite hairstyles to do, is the puffy twist, but I don't do it that often. I do it probably like once or twice a year, because although I love doing this hairstyle, I don't like doing it because it tangles my hair very easily. So if you notice, I usually do my hair while it's wet, and I just rinsed it out, my deep conditioner out, and I have my African Shea and my Cantu leave-in conditioner. But in order to do the puffy twist, my hair has to be dry. Well, as you're seeing, I'm trying to show you that I'm using a little bit of the cream. I'll come back to that. So yeah, my hair has to be dry in order for me to achieve the puffy twist. So you see how I look skinny right now, but when I let it go and it gets comfortable with the air, I guess, I don't know, then it gets puffy. So I'm using this curl shaping cream. Now if you follow my channel, you know that I don't use gel, but this one was a cream gel, and I was interested because I've never used a cream gel, and I don't like things that makes my hair hard. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. And it's on the instructions it says to be very, what does it say? Apply to wet or damp hair. Okay, well my hair's not wet. Apply a small amount evenly from the roots to the tips, work in your hair. Okay, so I didn't put it on my roots because I mainly just wanted for the tips of my hair, just to give it that nice curl. So if you see me twirling in my finger, I'm trying to see if the curl's coming. And there you go, there's the curl, it's coming, it's so pretty. So I don't want the ends to be frizzy or like too frizzy, so I'm using this curl cream for that purpose. So as you can see, I twisted up all the back of my hair, and now I'm going to work on the front. And also I love doing this style because I just get to spend a longer time playing in my hair. I just love playing in my hair. I just love it so much. It's a protective style, but I just have so much fun when I do this. And it's always quiet and everybody's sleeping. It's nice. The only downfall with me doing my hair so late at night is that even though my mind isn't tired, my body is tired. You can see it on my face and the way that I move, but my mind is wide awake. But as soon as I stop moving for like 2 minutes, then I am like out. I don't even know when I fall asleep, I just know I was asleep. So if you can see, I did a small part, a separation in the front, because I'm going to do something different with that, and I'm twisting up the rest of the front of the back in like normal twists. So you'll see what I'll do to the front in a moment. And there I go, I'm just smoothing the cream on my ends. And it works really well. Like the next day I woke up, I didn't have any crunch effect to the tips of my hair, to the bottoms, like none. It was great, and it was still curling. Another reason why I like doing like single twists like this is because you know, when you twist your hair or you braid your hair and you have those extra little strands hanging down there that doesn't need to be there, I love clipping those. Oh boy, here comes hair paint wax. You know I love me some hair paint wax. That's what I'm doing to the front. So I'm going to put a little bit of hair paint wax on my hair. I'm not going to put it from the roots to the tips. I just really want to emphasize the roots of my hair. Well, not the roots, but you know what I'm talking about. The roots of my hair being blue, and then I'm going to twist it back. At first I was going to twist all of it going straight back, but I was like, oh, that's too boring. So you'll see later that I went different ways in parting my hair to twist it back. So this is how I look when I'm not fast forwarding. So you can see why I always fast forward, because I just want to get it done. Everybody knows how to twist. If you don't know how to twist, I have a video on twisting on my channel, so you can search that on my playlist. You know what? I'll put it in the description box on how to twist. I'll do that, just to make it more convenient for you. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna do one more for you. I'm trying my best not to get it on my scalp, but that's not easy to do, so if it gets on my scalp, it just gets on my scalp. It'll come off anyway. Now I was at the hair store yesterday. I saw this lady with natural hair, and her hair, she was getting another hair color dye. Now I was asking her, I'm like, I knew the answer, but I just wanted to hear her experience. I was like, does it really dry out your hair? She's like, yeah. So she uses a lot of conditioner, and then after that she's fine. And I'm like, I would try that, but I do like my hair color a lot. I do, but I don't want to like fully dye my hair and then I miss my old hair color. I mean, I could use a temporary hair dye, which I was thinking about, but I have to see how long that lasts. We'll see. Maybe I'll do that. And if I do a temporary hair dye, of course I'm going to show you guys. So if you see me looking at the TV, I'm watching Batman. Oh my gosh. I don't like, okay, I'm just going to say it. I don't like it. I don't like Batman. I saw like the first 30 minutes of it. I couldn't get through it. I was like, I'm done. No more Batman. I just put it back on Vikings. Okay, so yeah, now that it's all twisted, now, oh, it's so cute. There's the front. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And there's the back. And then I'm going to come back to you the next morning on how it looks like brighter, not like in the middle of the night. Until then, good night. Hey y'all, it's the next morning, so I just want to show you what my hair looks like as it's brighter and you can see the color more. So I'm going to take these ears off. So this is how it looks. It came out really well. One thing I like about wearing my hair in twists like this is like when you see those little like long weak pieces, it's so easy just to clip them off, and it can also be addictive too. So I was just clipping this morning, clipping away. But yeah, I like it. It came out really well. So I'm put my ears back on. My blue ears with my blue hair. So, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.